Luar Kapatisi TV.
Justice Soumen ulabam Smai mentagasngi ka pratarik urisau arjar arpusan kumu Chief Justice Jong Meghalaya High Court hagabala penbam Smai uda ulat gejala Chandrasekhar H Vijaya Shankar. Chief Justice udai ubalakha batlahe lasan hakol kata West Bengal ulas dang ya kekam kumunong ya saj ain nado usnem khat khandai spa khandai puwei. Hadin arpos nembo lalong kumunong ya side, latong ya kumunong bishar, lani judge. Jongga Calcutta High Court haga kalay tarik uyayong arjar katway, but hadin ka jingsong taj no jong Chief Justice T.S. Sivanagam, haga katsan tarik unaylor arajar arpusan, latong ya kumu Acting Chief Justice Jongga Calcutta High Court. Nrei haga arpun tarik unaylor arajar arpusan pat, latong ya kumu Chief Justice kam Meghalaya High Court, but ulabam Smai mentagasngi kumu Chief Justice bakat sao, jongga Meghalaya High Court haga bala penbam Smai hayeng ulat Haraj Bhavan.
Chief Justice Soumen, Judge of the Calcutta High Court, will be the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court with effect from the date he is in charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 26th day of September in the year 2025. 4th Dasvina 1947 Saka in the 76 years of the Republic of India.
I, Soumen, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I now request the Honorable Chief Justice to make and subscribe to the oath.
Các tiên là Jong pin đâm cam ya kabakan kiyo các tiên khasi các tiên là Jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don laga Jong ka kan tiên khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni juya ong saka weipan Kaktin kasi kam juong banyakiw yaw up Hindrangi kiw yo tip Tu dayakan mau kendit ho Lapan mi da kapate CTV Na kabenta ka jing mentoy upat ba